Now, I would like to request our Vice Chairman Sir to please welcome and present the bouquet to the Honorable Guest of Honor, Shri B.C. Agrawal ji. Sir, please. फूलों से नहीं, कुमकुम से नहीं, रोली से नहीं, चंदन से नहीं, हम आप सभी का स्वागत करते हैं श्रद्धा और हृदय से.
Now, I would like to request our Director Sir to please welcome and present to bouquet our Chairman Sir.
Now, I would like to request our Director Sir to please welcome and present the bouquet to the Honorable Chairman Sir. Now, I would like to request our Director Sir again to please welcome and present the bouquet to the Honorable Vice Chairman Sir. Sir, please. Now, I would like to request our Director Sir again to please welcome and present the bouquet to the respected Shri Kanhaiya Lalji Bajaj, President of Agrawal Shiksha Mandal. Sir, please. I would like to request our Director Sir again to please welcome the respected Shri Kanhaiya Lalji Bajaj, President of Agrawal Shiksha Mandal. Now, again, I would like to request our Director Sir to please welcome and present the bouquet to the Shri Govind Prasad Ji Khanwale, Secretary of Agrawal Shiksha Mandal. Respected Shri Govind Prasad Ji Khanwale, Secretary of Agrawal Shiksha Mandal. रोज सुबह मिलते हैं इनसे, क्या हमको करना ये बतलाते हैं, लेके तस्वीरें इंसानों की सही गलत का भेद हमें बतलाते हैं, लेके तस्वीरें इंसानों की सही गलत का भेद हमें बतलाते हैं. कभी डांट तो कभी प्यार से, कभी डांट तो कभी प्यार से, कितना कुछ हमको ये समझाते हैं. है भविष्य देश का जिनमें, है भविष्य देश का जिनमें, उन सब का भविष्य ये बनाते हैं.
I am really privileged to have the pleasant task of welcoming and distinguished gathering for the college annual day celebrations. Let us have the pleasure of listening to the opening remarks to our Honorable Director, Dr. Manoj Kumar. He possesses an indomitable spirit to maintain the discipline, and his personal academic achievements are a source of motivation for us.
We are eagerly looking forward to his address. Sir, please welcome on the stage.
Hello. A very good evening to all of you and warm greeting on the behalf of BSA College of Engineering and Technology, Mathura. Today we have with us our Honorable Chairman Sir, Shri Madhav Saran Ji Agrawala, Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Shri Pradeep Agrawal Ji, Honorable Member of Governing Board, our Chief Guest, Shri Deepak Goyal, Managing Director, Agro Pure Capital Foods Private Limited, New Delhi, and Guest of Honor, Shri V.C. Agrawal. He is the ex-alumni of IIT Roorkee and he has served as a various prestigious posts in IOCLs. I feel immense pleasure to welcome all the delegates in the Arunima 2013. I would like to take this opportunity to express our heartiest welcome on the behalf of Honorable Member of Governing Boards and myself to Sri Deepak Goyal sir for accepting our invitations to be the chief guest in this occasion of these occasions. I extended a warm welcome to Sri V.C. Agrawal Ji for accepting our invitations to be the guest of honor of these occasions. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome the dignitary on the dais and off the dais, guests, invitees, press and media persons, all the head of departments, teachings and non-teaching staffs, and my dear students to this inaugural function of Arunima 2013. A very warm welcome to all of you from BSA College of Engineering and Technology, Mathura. And I would like to introduce my college It was established in 1997 and being run by Sri Agarwal Shiksha Mandal, a 100-year-old educational trust, which is a philanthropic organization contributing a social service in the field of education and health. That is BSA College of Engineering and Mathura, Technology Mathura, BSA PG College Mathura, Champa Agrawal Vidya Mandir Junior High School Mathura, Prem Devi Girls Inter College Mathura, Braj Chikitsa Sansthan Mathura, Champa Agrawal Inter College Mathura, Sri Raman Lal Sorawala Eye Hospital Mathura. In this college, we have running 7 branches in undergraduate program like BTech, EC, EE, CS, IT, ME, Civil, Automobile Engineering, and also running postgraduate program like MTech, MBA, and MCA. I am pleased to inform you that we are going to start a new branch in BTech in Agriculture Engineering from this coming semester. And also, we are going to develop an advanced wireless lab for BTech and MTech students funded by AICTE New Delhi. I also introduce the infrastructure of our college. I would like to say that our college, approx 15 acres, we have girls and boys hostels separately with all modern facility are available in the hostels. We have a digital library and full equipped labs. We have also Wi-Fi enabled campus. Regarding the placements activity in our college, in these academic sessions, more than 108 students have selected in the different company from different branches. And also like to quote that some of the students are waiting for their offers letters. The training and placement is also providing the opportunity for the pass out students for the placements. We are also starting incubation centers for enhancing the employability of the students so we can produce ready to deploy professionals for the industries. Also, I go glad to inform you that Mr. Sushant Garg, a student of mechanical engineering, final year has got 91 All India rank in the GATE examinations. Mr. Dinesh Kumar, a student of mechanical engineering, final year has got 305 All India rank in the GATE examinations. And some more students of our college got good rank in the GATE examinations. More than 50 students have selected in the GATE examinations from different branches. Regarding the activity achievement of our college, I feel to announce that we have collaborations with IIT Bombay for development of the Akash projects tablets. We have already organized the workshop on 10th and 11th November 2012 in our college and distributed free Akash tablets to all the faculty members in the different departments who participate in this workshop. We have already organized 3 workshops in our college with the collaborations of IIT Bombay. These workshops are being funded by MHRD, Government of India. Further, we are going to organize the workshop in the month of May and June 2013 with the collaborations of IIT Kharagpur and IIT Bombay in our college, which are being funded by MHRD, Government of India. I feel immense pleasures to get you aware about the collaborations with IIT Delhi to establish the virtual lab in our college. Today we are using 101 different labs from IIT Delhi. We are also academic partner of IIT Kharagpur. I would like to tell you that we have collaborations with IIT Madras for conducting the NPTEL courses in our college. Presently, 2 courses such as Basic Electrical Engineering and Digital Systems are being run in our college. Also, we have tie-up with the Dayal University Agra for set up the virtual labs. Once again, I extended heartiest welcome to all of you for this inaugural function of Arunima 2013 and wish you all the best. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and encouraging words.
रास्ता तो दिखाया था इसी जहान ने, रास्ता तो दिखाया था इसी जहान ने, अरमानों को सजाया था इन्हीं अपनों ने। बस दिखाना तो दुनिया को है कि किस मंजिल तक पहुंचाया आपने। हर सपने को अपना बनाया आपने, हर सपने को अपना बनाया आपने। उंगली पकड़कर चलना तो माता पिता ने सिखाया, उंगली पकड़कर चलना तो माता पिता ने सिखाया, लेकिन जीवन की राह पर चलना सिखाया आपने। Now, I would like to invite the sculptor of humanity, seasoned scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, our respected chairman sir. His presence is always a moral boost for us. So, sir, please come on the stage and bless us with your words. Sir, please.
Today's function, I heartily welcome our chief guest, Shri Goel, guest of honor, Shri B.C. Agrawal ji, and the president of Agrawal Shiksha Mandal, secretary Agrawal Shiksha Mandal, all the members of Agrawal Shiksha Mandal, including the member of the governing board, and the faculty of the BACT, the staff of BACT, dear students. It is a very great pleasure to have a company of our chief guest, Mr. Goel, and guest of honor, Shri B.C. Agrawal ji. Director has stated several things to you about the Shiksha Mandal. One thing is there, this college is run by the trust. We believe in quality, not the quantity. We are spending the huge amount which we are getting from the students for the development and the maintaining the strength of this institution. One thing I think after Director forgot to mention this fact that today's achievement is Miss Urvashi Pandey. She is the fourth year student of 2012 batch. She got the gold medal from UPTU. She stood 14th among the whole of the university and she got the gold medal. It is a very great achievement for the BACT. With these words, I heartily welcome to all the chief guest and our chief guest and the guest of honor. And I will only say that this college is having a good quality of the students and we are maintaining these students. The cultural activities are also very necessary for the development of the students. So the Arnoma is being celebrated every year and I think you will have a great pleasure to have this Arnoma function. With these words, I heartily thank you. Jai Hind.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। हमारे कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि श्री वीसी अग्रवाल जी हैं। मैं उन्हें बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि उन्होंने अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से हम सभी के लिए कुछ पल निकाले हैं। श्री वीसी अग्रवाल जी joined the RPJ group. Now it is RP Sanjeev Goenka group as President Corporate HR in November 2010 to lead HR function of the group. He is also group management board member. As a part of leadership team in LOCL and IBP, he handled key responsibilities of overseeing the strategic business growth and HF strategies. We are also highly honored to have with us the guest of honor, Shri V.C. Agrawal ji, amongst us today. In spite of his heavy schedule, he accepted to grace today's function. We are waiting with full of ebullience to listen to your motivational words. Sir, please come on the stage and bless us with your words. Sir, please.
मैं हिंदी में बात करूं? मैं लेक्चर नहीं दूंगा, आप लोगों से बात करूंगा। आज के हमारे चीफ गेस्ट श्री दीपक गोयल जी, संस्था के चेयरमैन श्री माधव शरण अग्रवाल जी, संस्था के सभी अधिकारीगण, यहाँ के अध्यापक लोग और यहाँ के जो पढ़ने वाले बच्चे हैं, उन सभी को मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे यहाँ पर आपके बीच में आने का मौका दिया और आपसे बात करने का मौका दिया। मैं आज बहुत खुश हूं आप लोगों के बीच में आकर के। मैं आप लोगों को अपने अनुभव के हिसाब से कुछ बातें शेयर करना चाहूँगा। नंबर 1, मेरा जन्म मथुरा में ही हुआ है। मथुरा में ही मैं पढ़ा हुआ हूँ और मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई एक बहुत ही छोटे स्कूल जिसका नाम महावर वैश्य प्राइमरी स्कूल था, जहाँ पट्टियों पर बैठकर के पढ़ाई होती थी, वहाँ से मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई चालू की थी। उसके बाद में मैं किशोरी रमन कॉलेज में पढ़ा। उसके बाद में मैं रुड़की यूनिवर्सिटी गया, जिसका नाम अभी IIT रुड़की है। ये पिछला बैकग्राउंड मेरा कहने का एक ही मकसद था कि आपकी पिछली क्या बैकग्राउंड रही है, किस स्कूल या कॉलेज से आप पढ़े हैं, उसका आपके भविष्य पर कोई खास असर नहीं पड़ता है। आप बच्चे लोगों मथुरा के BSA इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हैं या कोई किसी और अच्छे नामी स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है, नामी कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा है, IIT में या NIT में, उसका आपके भविष्य पर कोई खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। आप यदि मेहनत करने के लिए तैयार हैं, आप ईमानदारी से आगे बढ़ने के लिए तैयार हैं, तो आपका आगे बढ़ना, आपके जीवन में सफलता लाना उस बात पर डिपेंड करता है। मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री हासिल की यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ रुड़की से, लेकिन मैं इंडियन ऑयल में बोर्ड मेंबर था ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का। मेरे बच्चे मुझसे अक्सर पूछते थे कि पापा आपके पास ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की कोई डिग्री नहीं है, आप ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की इतनी सीनियर पोजीशन में कैसे काम करते हैं। मेरे पास कोई जवाब नहीं था। और इंडियन ऑयल के बाद में अभी मैं एक प्राइवेट ग्रुप में, जो कि काफ़ी बड़ा ग्रुप है, उसमें भी पिछले 3 साल से मैं ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का ही काम देख रहा हूं। तो सिर्फ आप लोगों को कहने का मतलब यह है बच्चे लोगों कि आपकी क्या पढ़ाई है, क्या बैकग्राउंड है, किस स्कूल या कॉलेज से आप लोग पढ़े हैं, उसका आप लोगों में किसी में भी कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स डेवलप होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप अभी आज क्या कर रहे हैं और भविष्य में क्या करेंगे, उसकी तरफ ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है। मैं इस संस्था के जितने भी व्यवस्थापक हैं, जितने भी यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी में लोग हैं, उन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ कि ये संस्था इतनी अच्छी तरीके से चल रही है। मुझे पूरी जानकारी तो नहीं है, लेकिन काफ़ी जानकारी है और मैं कुछ तरीके से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। मैं जानकारी लेने का मौका मिलता रहा है और मैं